Tulia, si unataka action? Haya.
All right, so we're going to connect with Clement. Clement seems to be connecting with us. Clement, a very good afternoon to you. Of course, you're in Nanyuki town. We're getting updates in terms of the current protests that are going on against the Ebola quarantine facility. How are you, Clement?
Well, not very good afternoon, but here in Nanyuki town, tension is still very high since morning with the running battles between the protesters, residents, and police officers. And unlike the situation was last week, today, it's a little bit different. We have seen a very high number of police officers manning the roads and streets all over. And right now where I am, this other side, this is a road that leads to Liki Estate in Nanyuki town, a road that was a few minutes ago. It was, we can call it a war zone between police officers, residents of this area who are complaining. And the main reason for them coming out is just resistance against that Ebola quarantine facility that is being constructed at the Laikipia Airbase here in Nanyuki. Residents had turned out in large numbers early in the morning to protest against the establishment of that facility and forcing police officers to come and just restore some kind of peace. The situation in the outskirts of Nanyuki town is very different from what is from the situation in CBD. The CBD, as much as the businesses are closed, there is a relative calm, but when you go to the outskirts like Majengo and now this Liki, things are very different. Police are firing live ammunition, rubber bullets, and tear gas canisters, and residents and on the other side, they are retaliating by hurling stones at police officers. And some minutes ago, we found ourselves, the group of journalists, we found ourselves in the middle of the tear gas and the stones, and we had to take cover. So that is the situation here. We have seen police in the other parts are patrolling all over, and as you can see, those are just a few of them trying to contain residents who are still attempting to come out openly on the road. These are stones that they had arranged along the road, ensuring that they block the road. There is no passage. So that is the situation currently, and the main reason is opposing that establishment of the quarantine facility here in Nanyuki.
All right, taking that update from Clement Masombo, who's in Nanyuki. Thanks for that update. Stay safe, even as we continue to follow up on that. All right, the political temperature in Nyandera County is hitting